stopping by Pete's Garage.
See that guy? That's me back in July of 2011, and it's the first video where I said, thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.
It is?
But that wasn't my first video. I uploaded my first video to YouTube in March of 2009.
No way!
As a matter of fact, I went back and watched my first video, and it was bad. It was really bad. I had no idea what I was doing. So I'm going to take that content and make that video again.
Excellent!
Up to now, I have 230 videos that have over 15 million views with just under 100 million minutes of view time. That's just short of 200 years. I have 115,000 likes and only 4,000 dislikes. And I've answered over 22,000 comments. My videos appear in over 125,000 playlists and are embedded in over 30,000 websites. On top of all of that, many technical and trade schools around the world use my videos as part of their curriculum.
You're putting me on.
And just recently, my channel went over 100,000 subscribers. After reaching that milestone, I just got a little package from YouTube.
What's going on over there?
Well, there it is, a real official looking box from YouTube.
What's in the box?
This is my Silver Play Button Creator Award from YouTube. You get that when your YouTube channel goes over 100,000 subscribers, and I could not have done it without all your support, so we're going to open it together.
Well, we're waiting.
Now, after I uploaded my first video, if you were to ask me, where do you think this is going to be 10 years from now? I would have said,
Just answer the question.
okay, I really don't know what the hell I would have said, but back then, if you were to tell me, you're going to keep doing this for a long time, you're going to have 230 videos, you're going to have millions of views, over 100,000 subscribers, I would have laughed and said, surely you can't be serious.
I am serious, and don't call me Shirley.
So, let's go open it together. All right. Cut her open. Yes, it is thundering.
Let's go while we're young.
Okay. Take a look here. Foam. When we start with a letter, a formal letter from the CEO of YouTube. You've done something that very few YouTubers, creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. I'm not going to read the whole thing, but I'll put a picture of this at the end of the video so you can see that. And woo!
Here it is.
Okay, we start with a little card from the manufacturer of the award. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks, Rick. So let's take a look. There we go. Presented to Pete's Garage for passing 100,000 subscribers. That is really nice. Got a mirror in the background with the play button. This is a really nice award. It really is awesome to reach this milestone. I really never set out to do this. All I wanted to do was help people, and originally started this channel to help people build this Cobra behind me. Just help people. That's all I really wanted to do, was help people. And I really appreciate everyone who has stayed with me over the years. So thank you to all my subscribers, and most importantly, thanks for stopping by Pete's Garage.
Hey, everybody, we're all gonna get laid.